So there was a stampede-like situation that occurred on the Wednesday in the Prayagraj at the Mahakumbh Mela, and after that, in response to that, now the Uttar Pradesh police have been, increased the security here at the Mahakumbh Mela, and in response to that, the Uttar Pradesh government has rolled out the 5 key changes to improve the safety and the order in the area. And also, you can see in the visuals, the announcement is being made. We will be trying to, listen what the announcement is being made.
हो जाएगी जैसे जिससे अव्यवस्था फैलेगी, व्यवस्था में सहयोग कीजिए। आप सभी श्रद्धालुओं से मेरा विनम्र अनुरोध है कि आप लोग मूव करते रहिए, एक जगह खड़े मत होइए। सभी श्रद्धालुओं से मेरा विनम्र अनुरोध है कि आप लोग व्यवस्था में सहयोग कीजिए। हम लोग आपकी व्यवस्था बनाने के लिए यहाँ पे खड़े हैं। आप सभी श्रद्धालुओं से मेरा विनम्र अनुरोध है कि आप लोग एक जगह खड़े मत होइए, मूव करते रहिए।
So continuously you can see, police personnel, the Uttar Pradesh police is trying to make the public aware about this situation on ground, to make them understand about the consequences, what can happen, and the announcement is being made to divert the public from this particular place. They are also saying that don't gather at one place, to keep moving. And also, if I talk about the 5 key changes to improve the safety and order in the area, the first one is the complete no vehicle zone. All the type of vehicles are now strictly prohibited from entering the Mahakumbh Mela ground, and as you can clearly see, the entire area has been barricaded and no vehicle is being allowed to enter, and only the public in less number is being allowed. Only this portion of the area is being open to enter and to exit. So the entire public is asked to go to the other ghat also, because this is the particular way. Would also like to show you other side of the road also. As you can see, the roads are empty because the public, the police is trying to divert the public to the other ghats also. And this is the particular route that you can also clearly see on the board. 2.5 kilometer. The Sangam from here is 2.5 kilometer. Bade Hanuman temple is also 2 kilometers. So everything is being written on this board, and from here the Sangam is 2.5 kilometers. So the public, all the public from this route is trying to go at the Sangam Ghat to take a holy dip, and that's why the route diversion is being made. And also there has been a cancellation of the VVIP passes. No special passes will be allowed for the vehicle entry, ensuring that no exceptions, there are no exceptions. Also, one-way traffic system. A one-way traffic system has been implemented to help manage the movement of the devotees more efficiently. So there is being made, the route for the entering and exit. So there are one-way traffic, one-way traffic system that is being now implemented. Entry vehicle restricted. The vehicles from neighboring district of Prayagraj are being stopped at the district border to alleviate congestion. Also, the increased patrolling and the esteemed traffic flow has been mandated on the major route, including Prayagraj, including those from Ayodhya, Kanpur, Fatehpur, Lucknow, Pratapgarh and Varanasi, because a lot of public are coming from the cities, the states which are near to the Prayagraj, and a massive crowd. You can see in the visuals also. They all are coming even after the stampede-like situation. The things are now being normal, and the public in large number are coming to the Prayagraj to take a holy dip. Four-wheeler entry ban. So the entirely the entry of the 4 vehicles in the Prayagraj will remain completely banned until February 4 to maintain law and order. Also, there is continuously the announcement that the public should move and should not gather at one place. So these directions are being given by the administration, by the officials, to manage the security, safety, and also to maintain the law and order in the Prayagraj, keeping in mind that there should be no such incident that happened, the unfortunate incident that happened which caused the life of the 30 people. 30 people have lost their life in this stampede, and also 60 people got the injuries. So to avoid any such incident, now the Uttar Pradesh police is trying to manage everything, and also the senior police officials are being brought to manage the crowd here, those who have managed in 2019. Also, if we talk about, there has been a aggressive instructions that have been now given. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also monitoring the situation closely. Everything is being monitored by the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. I'm Arzu Seth, video journalist Avinash for NewsX in Prayagraj.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.